This Century 21 Western Realty property video is presented by Bob Corey Team. Stunning 4-story home located in the highly sought-after community of Cottage Grove. Updates include paint 23, carpet 23, wood flooring 23, replaced water main 23. Only 4-story with a 3-car garage in the community. First floor features stunning tile flooring, a secondary bedroom with ensuite bathroom. Walk up your beautiful wrought iron staircase to the second floor where your living area resides, featuring beautiful wood flooring, high ceilings and large windows. This area is perfect for entertaining your guests or hanging out with the family. Kitchen has tons of storage, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances and large kitchen island. Primary bedroom and secondary bedroom number 2 are located on the 3rd floor. Game room or 4th bedroom on the top floor features large windows, access to rooftop balcony and ensuite full bathroom. This home has access to the balcony on the 2nd floor and Houston Skyline views from the rooftop balcony. Schedule your tour today. For more information, review the details below or contact Bob Corey Team at 281-394-4608.